breakfast that keeps you full. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is key to staying energized and focused. Let's make a meal that will keep you full for hours. Introducing ingredients. Today, we're using rolled oats, Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds. These ingredients are packed with fiber and protein. Start with the of rolled oats. Add 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt and 1/2 cup of your favorite milk. Mix them together. Next, layer in some chopped fruits, berries, bananas, or apples. Work great! Top it off with a handful of nuts and seeds for extra crunch and healthy fats. Seal the jar and let it sit in the fridge overnight. This makes for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. In the morning, your delicious and nutritious breakfast is ready. Just give it a quick stir and enjoy. With a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, this breakfast will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Try this healthy breakfast today. Like and subscribe for more recipes.